Hey guys, welcome to part 2. If you missed the first video about the topic I'm talking about, please subscribe and check out my video named How to Make Money at the Casino without spending any. And please check that out. Give it a thumbs up. Obviously you're going to want to watch it before continuing this video, and I'll try to put the link in the description below, make things a little easier for you guys. Alrighty, so part 2, basically strategy in finding machines that have the cash out light or collect light on, meaning they have money left over in the machines and nobody's using that machine anymore. So firstly, I mentioned this in the first video, you'll want to check out the high roller slot area for sure. Now in that area, people have money to burn, because normally it's $5 minimum bet per machine, and people like to drink and have a good old time, show off to their girlfriends and wives and mistresses. So normally these kind of people don't worry about every kind of cent and penny that they're playing in those type of machines. And that's where you'll find the biggest scores. Like I mentioned in my first video, my biggest score, somebody left $35 in a machine. Now obviously that person either was distracted, didn't know what they were doing, or drunk and didn't care. So I basically went up, cashed out, and got out of there and scouted out the rest of the high roller area, then left back into the normal area, other slot machines in the casino. Now other strategies, guys. Okay, time of day and how busy the casino is gonna definitely affect your chances. The worst possible time to do this method of going around to machines that are left unattended and looking for obviously the light to be on that says collect or cash out is when the casino is at full capacity or high capacity, because what that means is it's less likely to be open machines, which means other people are going to be randomly sitting down just to get a machine to spend some money. So obviously that's when your chances of finding open machines with cash in them go down the tubes, because people are just going to be sitting down at the most readily available seat, and it's going to be suck. So don't try this during those times. Now, the flip side to that is very little capacity or very slow casino days are no good, because if you basically sweep the floor, and what I mean by sweep the floor is you do the rounds throughout the entire casino cashing out, you'll probably be done after one sweep, because there's not enough people around spending money and putting stuff and leaving money in the machines for the next person. So you want the middle ground. You want a medium or medium high capacity casino. And what do I mean by that? How many people are in there? How busy is the casino? If it's standing room only, obviously you don't want to be there that day. You want to wait for a medium amount of people, you know, to be active. That way, there's a lot of people walking around, a lot of people playing, and a lot more open machines, which means more money for you potentially. So those are my strategies for that. Now, early morning and late at night. Late at night is, you'll have good chances to find more money in the casino, because people come in drunk, people have partied possibly, and they've just left money in the machines. However, late at night normally is when the casino starts to slow down, unless there's a special occasion on or something like that. So consider that as well. Early morning, you know, like I said, you can do your rounds in the whole casino, walking around, cashing out machines, and you might be done for that entire day, and you probably were only there an hour or two, and you probably didn't have enough money cashed out to justify you being there. So obviously you're going to be looking for, you know, mid-range busyness at the casino. That's what you're looking for, guys. So hopefully these strategies help you, and I would consider, let's say if I had to do this at a full-time pace, I would do it maybe once every couple days. That way you're not drawing attention, saying, hey, we got this guy in here all the time doing that. It's not good, you know. And plus, guaranteed after your first day, even if, after your first day, you're going to be doing a ton of walking. So just remember, the next morning you're going to be sore if you're not used to doing a ton of walking. So that's what I'm, strategy. Comfortable running shoes, because you're going to be walking on cement all day, depending on how long you want to spend in the casino. Now, if you hit big and you're cashing out really well, you know, obviously you can leave whenever you want. The other thing about casinos, normally they give you free refreshments. And normally if you want to take a break, you just sit down at whatever available machine there is with your free refreshment and chill out for a while, rest your feet. But, you know, after you're doing it, if you get into the habit of doing this, you know, at least a couple times a week, your bodies and your feet are gonna, you know, you're gonna be exercising, you're gonna build your muscle up, you're not gonna have issues. So hopefully these strategies work for you guys. I know they've worked for me. And you know, don't, like I say, don't go to machines that have people's cards and stuff still in them, or coats on the seats and stuff like that, or a lot of people around that said machine, because that's just stealing. And you know, you don't want to be caught doing that in a casino. You don't want to be doing that, period, because of morals. And you could possibly get barred from a casino, banned from a casino, and then there goes the whole system out the window. So have fun, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.